So I'm going to sweat a copper fitting on this pipe. So the first thing is make sure the end's nice and cleanly cut. Use one of these cleaners and make sure the end of the pipe is as clean as you can get it, like so. And then the fitting that I'm going to put is for a shower spout. So I'll clean the inside. I'm using this plumbing cleaning tool with wire wool on it, like so. Then the next maneuver is I'm going to put some flux to help the solder run between the joint. I'm doing a bit of a messy job doing it there, but put plenty on there. And then I'm going to put the fitting piece on, like that, nice and tight. Next to is I'm going to warm the piece up and the fitting all in one go. Nice and slow. Spread the heat, disperse the heat all the way along the end of the pipe and the fitting. And when I get my little blow lamp, so it's just, and what you're going to see is when it's getting to the correct temperature for the solder to run, you're going to see this flame go green on the other side. And just kind of move along, let the heat move all the way along the pipe. And then you'll see there you go, you'll see the solder run inside the joint. Just like that. And that's it. So everything's all lined up. And actually, before we go any further, I want to get this plate. I'm going to try and put it behind. I'll put a protective plate in the back. I'm going to sweat this joints, all these three joints. Okay. Here we go.
Lower upright pipe is only slid into the valve temporarily. That's to hold the valve in place. This will be removed later. I'm going to put a blank cap on the bottom of the valve body. The right and left elbows, these go to the hot and cold, and the upright pipe goes to the shower head. These are not the neatest looking joints, but they're going to be hidden behind the shower walls. The main concern is that the joints are watertight.
There you go. And that's it. That should not leak.